Hey guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious passion fruit lemonade, which is super easy to make but is delicious to serve from now until summer. So the first thing that you're going to need are some lemons, and I'll be sure to leave the printable recipe link down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And once you got your lemons, you're going to peel them with a lemon peeler, but do not chuck the peel away because we're going to use everything. Then once you've peeled your lemons, just cut it up into chunks. Do not worry about the seeds. Once again, we're going to be using everything in this recipe. Now remember the peel that you saved? Well, place that into a saucepan, add some sugar and water and bring it to a simmer until the sugar has completely dissolved. You do not need to boil it up, but just wait until the sugar has fully dissolved. While you wait for your lemon sugar syrup to cool down completely, go ahead and take the lemon chunks that you cut up earlier and place it into a blender. Then go ahead and add the pulp of the passion fruits into the same blender. By now your syrup should have cooled down a lot more, so go ahead and strain that through a sieve and place the syrup into the blender along with your lemons and your passion fruit. And obviously just after that, make sure that you blend it well so that all the fruit is nicely mixed. Once all the fruit is completely pureed, as you can see here, use a really fine mesh sieve and strain the whole mixture so you get rid of any of the pulp, any of the seeds or anything else that you do not want in your juice. And once you've strained everything, just top up your mixture with a little bit of cold water until you make up about a liter or 2 pints of juice. Now all that is left to do is for you to taste this delicious passion fruit lemonade. I like to serve it over rice, add a few more passion fruit seeds on top. You know, they will sink to the bottom, but it looks really nice, and a couple of mint leaves for garnish. And there you have it, a super easy and delicious recipe to make this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a go making it at home. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.